everybody, we have an unboxing video today. We have 2 boxes. These are both from Fright, so I know what's in them, but you don't. And I also have a second camera going so you can get close-ups, hopefully. If not, ignore this. So let's check her out. I thought I misplaced my handy dandy not sharp knife, and I thought I was going to have to use a screw to open this, but no, I found it. So let's put this one on the floor, and let's go with the small box first. As you see, I have not opened them yet. I almost did bad and cut towards me. I already stabbed myself with the screw I was going to use. Yeah, there's enough I can rip her open. Alright, let's see. I'm going to go ahead and sneak peek because I know what's in it. It's not a mystery box. Look at that. Fright sent another candy. Get it focused. Can't you focus on the candy? It's a warhead. Not sure if these are stickers. It's kind of a glaze on it. So. There's 2 of them, the same. So, let's see. And what do we got? The red variant Joe Bob. And there's a little bit of glare. I had to turn the lights on because it's nighttime. Check her out. Alright. That's the first box. Now on to the second. At least this time I opened it fairly soon and seen there was a candy in it, not like last time where I didn't know there was a candy in it. And it sat upstairs with no air conditioning for a while. I forget how long it was. It was a couple months, I think. I really need to invest in a new knife. Now on this one, I did order 2 because I planned on opening one and displaying one. The blue Joe Bob. It has some totals on the back. It says 3.75 inches of Joe Bob, 5 points of I'll just... It's kind of a glare. Beer grip foo, I like that. Let's see if the red one says that. Yeah. The red one says the same exact thing. I only ordered 1 of the red one, but I do have 2 of the blue ones. I think we'll go ahead and wrap that back up, but not right now. Then, I also got Here, the Joe Bob and Darcy. I want the plain Darcy t-shirt, but I saw this one and it was kind of Evil Dead themed, so I had to get this one first. But that is what I got from Fright Crate. If you guys like the 2 cameras, let me know, and maybe we'll, because I did order more Fright loot. I won't get a box until December, so if you like the 2 views here, let me know and I will use that for my next unboxing. So then I say it won't be till December when I get my Fright loot. But remember, 200 subscribers and I will order Fright Crate. It's a different subscription box, but you have to like be paying attention and order it monthly on your own. It doesn't like renew like Fright loot. So I'm gonna wait till I get at least 200 subscribers so I can validate another $30 a month for another subscription box. So make sure we get there.